Good morning, students. My name is Kameswar Rao. I am dealing the subject Physical Pharmaceutics 1 in this containing 5 chapters: states of matter and their properties. Second chapter is solubility of drugs. Third one is surface and interfacial phenomenon. Fourth chapter is complexation and protein binding. Fifth chapter is pH and buffers and isotonic solutions. In coming to first chapter containing what are the various states of matter and their interchanges between states of matter, latent heat of vapor pressure, sublimation, eutectic mixtures, gases, aerosols, inhalers, relative humidity, liquid complexes, liquid crystals, Glaude state, solid crystalline, amorphous and polymorphism. In this chapter containing what are the various states of matter and their their properties and their importance of physicochemical properties of states of matter and their determination and their applications. It includes reflective index, optical rotation, dielectric constant, dipole moment, dissociation constant, determination and their applications. In coming to first chapter, states of matter. First one, states of matter. In this world there are different types of states of matter is available. What is the meaning of matter? Anything that has a mass and take up space, that is called as matter. Based on physical composition, there are again classified into solids, liquids and gases. This matter is made up of small infinite molecules. These molecules are made up of atoms. These atoms are having continuous in motion, so they are having sufficient kinetic energy. These atoms are interacted each other by attractive and repulsive forces, so they are having potential energy. So based upon the chemical classification of states of matter, there are classified into pure elements, pure compounds. Example for pure compounds are elements and compounds. Another classification is comes under chemical classification mixtures. Mixtures are above classified into two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures containing same type of elements are compounds. If in case of heterogeneous compounds containing different types of elements are compounds. Coming to physical state of compounds, all atoms are having specific properties: volume, mass and shape. These atoms are having mass and occupy space. Atoms are the smallest part of an element that has chemical properties of the elements. So volume means the amount of space of matter take up. These can be expressed in milliliters, liters and microliters. Mass means mass is the amount of matter in an object. It can be expressed in grams, milligrams and kilograms. Based upon the physical classification, there are again classified into three states: solids, liquids and gases states. based on physical properties, there are again classified into three states: solid, liquid and gases. In solid state, particles are held together by strong intermolecular forces like ionic bonds, covalent bonds and metallic bonds. Solid state is having definite volume and shape. They are having higher density than liquid form. They are hard and brittle. They are held together by stronger forces. They are rigid in shape. Surface tension is having high. Packaging in solid particles are having very close to either. Packaging is easy. The diffusion rate of solid particles are very low. Kinetic energy is high. Example for solid compounds are ice. In coming to pharmaceutical compounds, tablets, capsules and powders. Next, properties of liquids. Liquids are having higher density. They are having definite volume. They are having indefinite shape. They are take the form of container they are in. Liquid particles are having different types of forces: cohesion forces and adhesive forces. In liquid, particles are slide each other and freely moved. Viscosity is some type of liquids are having viscosity high and some type of liquids are having viscosity low. Based upon viscosity, there are having flow properties. There are hard to expand and compress. Surface tension is having very low. They are loosely packed. The diffusion rate is higher when compared to solids. Coming to example for liquids are water and mercury, syrups, elixirs, emulsions and suspensions and injections. Next, another state of matter is gases. They are having indefinite shape and volume. Take up the shape of container that they are in but expand to fill in the container. Additional properties: surface tension is low. They are having low density, easy to expand. They are easily compressible and filled in container. Particles are move quickly. Packaging is far or difficult. Diffusion rate is highest when compared to solids and liquids. These are three types of properties. Changes in states of matter. There is a phase transition occurs in between three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. When solid is converted into liquid, the process is called as melting. The reverse process is called as freezing. Freezing is defined as the conversion of liquid into solid is called as freezing. Next one, when solid is converted into gas without conversion into liquid form, there is called as sublimation. In this process, there is no formation of a liquid state. The reverse process of sublimation is called as deposition. It is defined as there is a phase transition from gas state to solid state. Next one, vaporization. Vaporization is defined as there is a conversion of a liquid into gases is called as vaporization.